airport. We are leaving. And so I'm now gonna dig into the stew peas as much as I can eat. I'm too much, aren't I? Yes, I'm gonna dig into the stew peas right now. And I'm gonna make a videotape this because I'm gonna see how many back and forth from my vacations to JA to the airport. And I did one already when we took Devon and DM. And it's the same clear, beautiful, gorgeous day. You'll get the same view. So I'm just gonna eat my food and go catch my flight. Alright? So there we are. And I'm being driven by sister today. Being driven by a sister today. So off night it's men driving, but today it's a sister. Right, which is not unusual in Jamaica like it might be in other places.